Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're a business owner, you already know the cold, hard truth. Your technology is either your absolute greatest competitive advantage or it's your biggest, most expensive bottleneck. There is really no in between. So today, we're going to see exactly how Astra Service Desk Limited is transforming business tech from a daily headache into a wildly powerful asset. We absolutely respect your time, so here is our quick roadmap for today. We'll be covering overcoming your technology challenges, comprehensive managed ICT services, tiered service plans, specialized unmanaged services, scaling with your business, and finally, why Astra is your trusted technology partner. Starting right off with Section 1, overcoming your technology challenges. Let's talk about the silent killers of business growth. I really want you to stop and ask yourself this. What does a single hour of IT downtime actually cost your business? It's not just a minor inconvenience, right? Studies consistently show it can cost small businesses thousands of dollars per hour. Think about the halted operations, the incredibly frustrated customers, and your team just sitting idle. It is a massive direct hit to your bottom line. Because honestly, if your business is constantly dealing with unexpected downtime, terrifying cybersecurity risks, or just struggling with outdated systems and terrible communication, you are literally bleeding money. You're wasting all your energy fighting with tech instead of doing what you actually want to do, which is growing your business. And that's exactly where Astra Service Desk Limited comes in. Simplifying technology, maximizing productivity. That's their motto, but it's more than just a catchy phrase. It's their entire business model. They are completely dedicated to diagnosing these exact issues and applying first-world quality solutions to take that massive tech burden completely off your shoulders. Which brings us to Section 2, comprehensive managed IT services. This is really where the magic happens for long-term stability. So what exactly is a managed service? Well, instead of the old way, waiting for things to completely break and then panicking to find an expensive fix, you actually outsource your IT management to Astra. They handle the proactive system monitoring and all the background troubleshooting. This gives you continuous reliability, dedicated long-term support, and most importantly, totally predictable costs. No more budget-busting emergency surprises. On the physical side of things, Astra handles the whole shebang. We're talking desktop and laptop repairs to extend your device life, deploying and managing scalable virtualization servers, and building robust data networks. They even install secure CCTV systems and manage your entire asset inventory so you finally know exactly what equipment you actually have and where it is. But it's not just the physical hardware. They totally modernize your digital workflows too. They take incredibly complex tools like custom databases, AI services, and PBX phone systems and translate them into simple, everyday business benefits. Fast website hosting, app development, comprehensive support, it all means seamless communication and automated processes with absolutely zero technical jargon for you to figure out. Moving on to Section 3, tiered managed service plans. Because let's face it, every single budget is different. Astra breaks their managed services into 3 incredibly simple, scalable tiers: Essentials, Premium, and Elite. What's brilliant about this is that it perfectly scales alongside your company. You aren't forced into some massive enterprise contract right out of the gate if you only need foundational maintenance. But when you are ready to grow, they seamlessly step you right up to comprehensive 24/7 management. But hey, what if you don't need a long-term contract just yet? That brings us to Section 4. Specialized unmanaged services. Astra is super flexible. While managed services are your ongoing, proactive contracts, their unmanaged services are project-based. So if your business just needs ad hoc, on-demand expert support without the constraints of a fixed, long-term contract, this is absolutely the way to go. These specialized projects seriously cover all the bases. Need to urgently lock down your cybersecurity with new firewalls? Done. Need to train your staff on Microsoft Office or literally just get a bunch of broken company mobile phones fixed quickly? They've got you. They even handle document management and custom graphic design services like logos and branding. It's totally customized to your exact project needs. Section 5, scaling with your business. Let's see how they adapt to your specific stage of growth. No matter what stage you're at, Astra scales right alongside you. If you're a small business, maybe you just need basic IT support and a solid web presence. When you grow, they set up your PBX phone systems and manage servers. And for large enterprises, they're deploying AI-driven solutions in complex asset tracking. They even build tailored software and AV setups for institutions like schools and churches. You literally never outgrow them. And that leads us to our final section, your trusted technology partner. We know what they do, but why should you trust them? Well, let's start with the number 20. Astra is built on over 2 decades of deep experience in the ICT field. They are definitely not just figuring things out on your dime. That kind of deep-rooted expertise means they diagnose complex problems fast and implement solutions that actually work. And then there's the number 24, as in unparalleled 24/7 customer support. Because as we all know, technology doesn't sleep, and unfortunately, neither do cyber threats. Astra ensures that whenever an issue pops up, day or night, it is resolved swiftly so your downtime stays at an absolute minimum. So, here is the big takeaway. It is time to stop fighting with your IT and start focusing on your business. You can reach out to Astra today to map out a customized, budget-friendly solution. Shoot them an email at sales@astraservicedesk.com, give them a call, or check out their website to start transforming your tech infrastructure right now. I'll leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to stop working for your technology and finally make your technology work for you? In today's incredibly fast-paced digital world, having the right IT partner isn't just a nice-to-have advantage, it's absolutely critical for your survival and growth. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and we will catch you next time.